how to view Buffalo Wild Wings nutrition and allergy information before ordering. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to check the nutrition and allergy information of items before ordering? Then you're in the right place. I'll show you how. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your browser and head over to the Buffalo Wild Wings website. Then scroll down to the bottom and then under learn more you can see nutrition and allergen guide. Just tap on it. And then here you can see two links, view the Buffalo Wild Wings nutrition guide and the Buffalo Wild Wings allergen and preparation guide. You can just open it up and then there you go. Here you can see all of the nutrition for each of the items and then you can see the allergen information as well. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.